Investing for beginners, how to get started in the stock market. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Stock Market Hero. Today, we're going to talk about investing for beginners in the stock market. The first step is to understand the different types of investments available. Stocks are the most popular and accessible type of investment for beginners. Stocks are ownership shares in a company that can be bought and sold on stock exchanges. The next step is to understand risk. The stock market can be volatile, so it's important to understand your risk tolerance and to invest accordingly. Diversifying your portfolio is also important. This means spreading your investments across different companies and industries to minimize risk. Finally, it's important to take a long-term approach to investing. Historically, the stock market has provided strong returns over the long term, but there can be significant short-term fluctuations. To get started, you need to set your goals, choose a broker, and make your first investment. And that's it. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over time, but it's important to do your research and invest wisely. Thanks for watching.